Jai Hind, this is Kalpesh here. Do subscribe my channel for latest information regarding any current affairs, any recent news which is informative. I'm going to share that video, that short video in my YouTube channel where you can collect the information for many competitive exams as well as SSB interviews. For defense aspirants, it is very necessary that you should have the current news with you, current information, small information which I am uh, uploading on the daily basis, like yeah, UNSC and UNO and the Seven Sisters. The small information which you don't know, I'm sharing that information in my YouTube channel. So this is not mandatory that you like my channel and subscribe my channel. I'm not like that, and I've started this YouTube channel because I want to increase my self confidence. That's why. So it's not necessary that you do like, you do subscribe. If you like it, if you like to, because there are many more who will give you information good and in the better way than me. Okay, but I'm trying to give it from my knowledge. Okay, I'm not copying. I'm taking help of Google. I have taken short informations from newspaper, through Google, through YouTube channels. I combine that knowledge, I combine that information, and then I share it in my video. So that what I'm doing. Okay, and other may also used to do that. So it's your choice. Thank you. So I'm starting my video about our first chief of defense staff, General Bipin Lakshman Singh Rawat. He was from army background. We all know कि our first chief of defense staff, General Bipin Rawat sir, an incident took place in which he died in chopper crash on 8 December Wednesday 2021. Okay, General Bipin Lakshman Singh Rawat. He was the first chief of defense staff we ever had in our India. He was a legendary officer in our Indian army. He achieved many achievements. He did many works for India. He did many great works. He did many works which will increase the efficiency of soldiers, efficiency of Indian military, not Indian military, but the all overall aspects. That's why he was the chief of defense staff, as well as army, navy, air force. He used to do new things. He started changing the things which were taking time, which were wasting money of Indian government. He started doing the things in which the government can save that money and can invest that money in some other work, in defense only. He was that type of officer who never used to take rest. He was always stand for his country. That's why I think he was a legend. The legend is not the one who is sitting, the legend is the one who is always trying to do good and better and best. So I'm starting the service he served in Indian Army as a chief of defense staff and how the incident took place on 8 December. In conclusion, I will talk about it. So, General Bipin Lakshman Singh Rawat was the first chief of defense staff. He was born in March 1958, Pauri village, Gariwal district in Uttarakhand. He had studied in Uttar Pradesh Chaudhry Charan Singh College. Okay, before, when he was born in 1958, he that area was there in Uttar Pradesh only. In 2000, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand got divided. That's why I'm telling Uttarakhand now, because it is there in Uttarakhand. But at that time, it was Uttar Pradesh. It was not divided on the language basis. Okay, so he was a third generation officer in his family. His father was retired Lieutenant General Lakshman Singh Rawat. Okay, he was an alumnus of National Defence Academy. After 12, he joined National Defence Academy and Indian Military Academy. General Rawat was a finest student in both, in National Defence Academy and Indian Military Academy. He was commissioned to 5th Battalion, 11 Gurkha Rifles. He joined his father's unit from parental clan as a second generation serving officer. Okay, General Bipin Rawat appointed as a Chief of Defence Staff on December 31, 2009. General Rawat during his service served as a brigade commander, Southern Command, General Staff Officer Grade 2 at the Military Operation Directorate and held many more positions. He was awarded for his gallantry and distinguished decorated service in Indian Army. He was awarded with Uttam Yuddha Seva Medal, Yuddha Seva Medal, Ati Visisht Seva Medal, Visisht Seva Medal, and Sena Medal. He was honored with many more Seva medals as well. He was a Chief of Army Staff over the span of his 38 years of his service. He was also a part of United Nations peacekeeping forces and was twice awarded as a Force of Commander Commendation while serving with the United Nations. He was also awarded as a Sword of Honor from IMA Indian Military Academy Dehradun at the time of his training course, and also he was in 53rd batch of National Defence Academy. In his career, one of the highlights was a 2015 cross-border operation in Myanmar, where Indian Army responded successfully. Okay, responded successfully to National Socialist Council of Nagaland militants. General Rawat was also a part of planning the 2016 surgical strike, which we call it as Uri Surgical Strike 2016. General Rawat has authored many national security and leadership articles and has been published in various publications. And in conclusion, the incident which took place on 8 December Wednesday 2021 on when he was flying from Sulur Air Base to Wellington Defence Service Staff College. 13 personnel, including him and one his wife Madhulika Rawat, on board. Indian Air Force helicopter Mi-17V5 crashed near Kunnur, Nilgiri district, Tamil Nadu, in which 13 died and one is still fighting for his life. And he is also been awarded with Shaurya Chakra. His name is Group Captain Varun Singh. In that 13, one was our General Bipin Rawat and one was his wife Madhulika Rawat. And 11 more died in that chopper crash. We must pray for them, for their soul. May their soul attain moksha. Om Shanti. Okay. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.